still wasting hours trying to build a simple website. What if you could do it in minutes without touching a single line of code? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Brizy Cloud, a game-changing site builder that helps you create full websites and landing pages faster than ever. Ever felt frustrated by platforms that promise no code but leave you with headaches and half-baked designs? Then it's time to meet the platform that actually delivers. Inside the Brizy Cloud dashboard, just hit Create New Project and you're off to the races. Start from scratch. Customize a ready-made template, or let AI generate an entire website just from your Google Business profile. Want more control? Brizy Cloud gives you a smooth drag-and-drop editor that's super intuitive. No cluttered menus. Just drop in your content and boom, your website's coming together in real time. You can even apply universal fonts and colors across all pages. Huge time saver. And check this out. Brizy Cloud's plans include unlimited landing pages, multi-page sites, pop-ups, SSL free hosting, and more. If you've got clients, Tier 3 is where it's at, supporting up to 15 websites with advanced features. Want to convert more visitors? Add high-converting pop-ups. Need complex functionality? Create custom post types and dynamic fields. Ready to publish? Use a Brizy subdomain or connect your own. Stop struggling. Start building fast, beautiful, feature-rich websites today. Hit that Buy Now button and grab lifetime access to Brizy Cloud while you can.